Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model Y exterior mirror vibration at highway speed and the likely reasons that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla Model Y vehicles, drivers may notice one or both exterior mirrors vibrating, shaking, or blurring at higher speeds, most commonly during highway driving. This can reduce mirror clarity and make it harder to judge surrounding traffic. The vehicle remains fully drivable, but the vibration can be distracting. This behavior does not affect all Model Y vehicles and varies by model year, mirror design, assembly tolerance, and driving conditions rather than indicating a universal defect. Verified information shows that one documented reason involves aerodynamic forces acting on the mirror housing at higher speeds. At highway speeds, airflow around the mirror can create turbulence and vibration, especially if the mirror housing or internal mounting points have slight looseness or flex. Small variations in mirror assembly tolerance can make vibration more noticeable in some vehicles than others. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior service history, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Mounting and hardware-related factors are also documented. The exterior mirror is secured to the door with internal fasteners and brackets. If these components are slightly loose, worn, or not fully seated, the mirror assembly can resonate at certain speeds. As a possible contributing factor, door panel flex or internal foam and damping material differences could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Glass and internal mirror components have also been reviewed. The mirror glass itself is mounted within the housing and can vibrate independently if its backing plate or adhesive allows movement. This may cause the image to shake even if the outer housing appears stable. Environmental and road conditions can further influence vibration. Strong crosswinds, uneven pavement, or passing large vehicles can temporarily increase airflow turbulence around the mirror, making vibration more noticeable during highway driving. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include inspection of mirror mounting points, checking internal fasteners and mirror glass fitment, and verifying that the door and mirror assembly are properly secured. In some cases, replacing internal mirror components or the complete mirror assembly resolves persistent vibration. Reviewed information indicates that exterior mirror vibration at highway speed is not universal and often relates to aerodynamic effects, assembly tolerance, or mounting conditions rather than a structural body issue. In conclusion, Tesla Model Y exterior mirror vibration at highway speed is generally linked to airflow turbulence, mirror mounting or internal component movement, and vehicle-specific assembly variation rather than a widespread manufacturing defect. The issue varies by vehicle and driving conditions, and resolution depends on accurate inspection and appropriate service action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.